This is a 12-year-old BMW X1 car, and now we have upgraded it to a more functional Linux slim screen. Pry out the air conditioning trim panel with the rocker. Take out the connecting plug on the back of the air conditioning trim panel, and then place the air conditioning trim panel to one side. Remove the fixing screws of the original display screen. Remove the mainframe panel by prying it open with a buckboard. Remove the connection plugs from the back of the mainframe panel, and place the original mainframe panel. Remove the main unit location trim panel. Remove the fixing screws of the original host. Pull the original host outward. Take out the original host. Then hold the E-cell plug buckle of the main engine and pull it backward to take out the E-cell plug of the host. Press the LVDS plug button on the back of the original display screen. Then take out the LVDS cable plug, and then place the original display screen. Press the small buckle on the original E-cell while head with tweezers, and take out the 2P green optical fiber cable. Connect the E-cell plug of the original host to the main of Linux E-cell harness. Connect the 2P green fiber optic cable to the Linux E-cell female and insert it firmly. Be careful not to insert it in the wrong direction. Put the Linux E-cell harness inside the instrument panel and thread the plug-in to the base of the display screen. Thread the audio cable to the display location and connect it to the iOS harness. Connect the Linux eShell cable female to the back of the original host. Insert the plug and press the buckle to make it firmly installed. Connect the other end of the audio cable to the AUX port. Install the original host back to its original position. Confirm that it is installed in place, and then log and fix the original host. Restore the main unit location trim panel. Restore the connection plug on the back of the host panel, and then install it back in place. Thread the USB harness plug to the base of the display and lay the female end of the USB connection cable into the passenger compartment. Connect the lead extension cable. Match up the ground wires on the eShell harness to get better sound quality. Attach the base and lock the screws. Restore the connection plug on the back of the air conditioning trim panel, and then install it back to its original position. Connect the plug of the Linux eShell harness and USB harness to the back of the Linux device, and connect the stock LVDS male connector to the interface on the back of the Linux device via the LVDS extension cable. Install the Linux device to the stock display base. Ignition, start the car powered on to check whether the Linux device can be turned on normally. Check whether the functions are normal.